Hi everybody, this is Clint Hajar and this is ITL 516 and we're on week 3 individual assignment. Um, so what we want to do here is we really want to um, develop students is the students should already have an idea of place value, but as a fourth grader they want to really have that idea down on a more thorough level, as in they should understand that as we move um, left of the decimal point, we're increasing by 10 times, and if we move to the right of the decimal point, we're dividing by 10. Um, so here on our Jamboard, we have, let's see, here on our Jamboard, we have the number 547, and we also, so this is one exercise we can have our students do, and this is kind of to incorporate the digital platform along with this exercise, and some students may benefit from it. I feel like this is a good, I feel like this Jamboard is a good setup between the abstract numbers and symbols and a visual concept. We got the place value chart. Um, Also, this question here incorporates what's larger, the 4 and the 7, the 4 or the 7. And in this situation, the 4 will be greater because it's in the tens place, whereas the 7 is in the ones place. So 7 is really worth 7, and the 4 is worth 40. So this should be modeled by the educator prior to allowing the students to begin working on it. And so if we take our pen here, this is something the student might want to do. They could flip over to the next page. So they would have a place value chart like so, number 547. Their first question asks, in what place is the number 4 located? And they could even use this here to help them. This here decimal point. That's where the decimal point is. They could fill this in if they'd like. It might be a good good strategy. So the 7 is in the ones place, the 4 is in the tens place, and our 5 is in the hundreds place. So we know the 7 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens, and the 5 is in the hundreds. Hence, this is times 1, this is times 10, this is times 100. Now, if we can get students to memorize this ones, tens, hundreds, and that we're multiplying 7 times 1, which gives us 7. And if we multiply 4 times 10, we get 40. And if we multiply 5 times 100, we get 500. And when we find the sum of these, we get 547. And that this would be an ideal warm-up exercise, maybe early morning, get the students going. It could even be a good exit ticket to get them, get out to class after, to prove they've learned or have attempted to try to attempted the problem, gave it their best effort. And then for our concrete example, we're going to use manipulatives. This is going to be physical activity, and we are going to have our assistant come in here and take over, and she just began the 5th grade, so she should be able to give us a good demonstration of identifying of modeling the number 547 using our, what is that right there? That's our
number house?
place value house. So those are our that's our place value house right here. There it is. So and then part of our place value house, we have blocks here. We have our one blocks, tens blocks, and hundreds blocks. Okay. So so she's gonna get our 500. So could you please show us how to represent 547? It's written right here too, if you notice. Okay, 547 using our number blocks. Okay.
So I put 500s under the hundreds group or room, and then I put 4 tens in the tens room, and 7 ones in the ones room.
Okay, so she put 500s in the hundreds house. She put 4 tens and 7 ones blocks to represent our number 547. And thank you very much for your assistance. We'll see you later. Thank you. And that was both abstract with digital and manipulative concrete. Thank you very much. See you guys next video.